What is going on? This is AlTone, and this is another awesome folding drone by Holystone, the HS720. So once again, I'd like to thank Holystone for sending this awesome little drone out to me for me to share my honest thoughts and opinions on it with you. So what comes in a box with this fantastic little drone is the Holystone HS720, a semi-hard shell case, the transmitter, a full set of replacement props, a battery charger, a USB to USB-C charging cable, a screwdriver, and a user manual. And just like I say with every other Holystone product, make sure that you do take time to read through the user manual before you take this guy out to fly. So let's take a quick look at this Holystone HS720. In the front, you have a 4K shock-mounted camera, a power button on the top, folding arms with brushless motors and props, rear battery indicator lights, battery bay, and on the bottom you have landing lights, a vision position lens, micro SD card slot, which takes a 32 gig micro SD card max, and a status LED light on the bottom of each of the arms. And on the transmitter, you have a display screen up front, the power switch, an unlock button, takeoff and landing button, return to home button, left and right control sticks. You have your antennas on the top, phone holder, a photo/video button, speed landing light button, lens up and down control wheel, GPS mode switch, flip out handles on the bottom so that you can better grip the controller itself while you're flying, and a rear battery bay which requires 2 AA batteries, which are not included. And just to take a quick look at a couple of the specifications on this drone, you have, again, a 4K shock-mounted camera, a total of 52 minutes of flight time, 26 minutes per battery, a rated transmission range of 2,624 feet to 3,277 feet, depending on conditions, micro SD card that takes a max size of 32 gigs, video photo resolution of 4K with a 110-degree field of view, and for flight, you use the Ophelia Go app, which is free in the App Store or on Google Play. Again, this is absolutely a fantastic drone. It is more than 249 grams, so you will have to register it in the US, but it's extremely stable in the air. And I have to remind you, you'll need 2 things outside of what comes in this package in order to fly. One of them is your batteries, 2 AA's for the remote control, and you need an SD card, a micro SD card of no more than 32 gigs. Anything larger than 32 gigs, it will not work. I found that out the hard way. So I truly hope this information helped you out. Thank you so much for stopping by. Have an absolutely fantastic day, and I'll see you again in a future video.